Hello everyone. This video will cover what ACLs are in an HAProxy configuration file. Let's dive right into example use cases. How would you go about routing traffic to different backend servers? For example, what if you want to inspect a request to see if the URL path begins with /images to send it to application A? Other requests, say to the homepage or a URL path beginning with /documents, you want to send those to application B instead. How about blocking malicious requests from bots or specific IP addresses? What if you want to redirect traffic, such as forcing all requests to use HTTPS? Use ACLs to address all of these use cases. Think about ACLs as configuring custom rules to suit your evolving needs. To put it simply, you can create rules that test a condition about a traffic request or response. To be more specific, ACLs are logical predicates. It can evaluate logical statements with many types of variables and fetches to ultimately return true or false. ACLs are a powerful HAProxy configuration syntax tool capable of making real-time decisions on traffic flowing through your load balancer. ACLs are defined in front-end or listen sections of your configuration file using the syntax ACL, the ACL's name, a condition, and a comparative value. On their own, ACL declarations don't do much. You'll want to use an if or unless statement to trigger specific actions. What if you want the load balancer to make a decision based on more than one condition? In your if and unless statements, you can combine multiple ACLs using logical operators, such as and, or, not. This video by no means covers an exhaustive list of use cases to configure ACLs, and I hope these examples can spark your imagination on how they can be configured for your specific use cases. To read further about the HAProxy configuration syntax language, ACL flags, matching methods, 50+ converters, and 100+ fetches, check out our ACLs documentation page. And that's it for this video. That should give you an idea what ACLs are in an HAProxy configuration file. Thanks for watching.